I bought these two pieces of steel, this rundown old steel mill, and I'm going to use them for bumper brackets behind the bumper there. What I'm going to do is they're going to go where these three holes are. Then I hold the bumper up to these existing brackets and mark them. And I'll have a bracket bolted to there, and then I'll weld the two together. But I gotta clean these up. These are nasty. I got my chop off wheel here. We're gonna see if we can clean them up a little bit. There's the plates for the bumper. Stainless steel hardware. Now all I gotta do is just get the bumper sat up there and see how it lines up with them bottom brackets. And either I'm going to weld it on, or maybe those bolts will line up, I don't know. But we'll find out later. Alright, got the bumper on, centered, stainless hardware holding it all on, except those washers, them washers are hardened. I got them 5 clearance lights on, which obviously those aren't going to be the main clearance lights. Those are over there on that desk. I got Kenworth LED lights that'll be basically over the top of all of those. But the bumper's on, it's centered. This is what it looks like with the bumper on it. I don't think it looks too bad. I just wish I could find somebody with a hacksaw before I put it up. I'd like to have cut it. Probably maybe right here, but it had to have been somebody with a professional saw that could, you know, square it up, made a good cut. But I couldn't find nobody, so that's that. We're gonna leave it like it is. Hope I don't snag nothing.